Okay, for this exploration, I'd like you to take a line, and I'd like to find a relationship between the numbers used over here in the equation, the coefficient of x, the coefficient of y, and the constant, and points on the line. Now, to simplify this, first of all, let's put up the grid. And secondly, I'm just going to give you a hint. It's going to be easiest if we find points that are actually on the axes here. So if I put this like on a 4, and I put this like on the 3, look at that. All of a sudden this became simple. 3x plus 4y equals 12. Okay? It's not always going to be quite as easy to figure out what the pattern is. Here it's x plus y equals 3, but you can find others. Now, one way to make this slightly easier, I think, let's just go ahead and delete all of this for a second. One way to make this easier is to actually do the line where you click on the y-axis and click on the x-axis. Do that away from these little the corners of the grid points. Now, this is locked onto the y-axis, and this is locked onto the x-axis. So, for instance, if I slide this point until it comes to the 3, notice that it clicks in there. And if I put this on the 4, there, it clicks in there. And notice that 4x plus 3y equals 12 is, again, like that. So, the goal here is, with the equation in this form, so it's something x plus something y equals something, and if I put a point on each axis, and if I look at the coordinates of those 2 points, so this point is 3, 0, and this one is 0, 4. Those are the 2 points there. In fact, they're stated right here. A is 0, 4, and B is 3, 0. Here's your equation. Here's this. Given the numbers here, can you figure out where the line's going to be? And given a line, can you figure out what these numbers are going to be? Now, doing this so that it works in all cases is not going to be easy, but doing it so that you can get some feel for the pattern when it's at least simple cases should be fairly easy to come up with. But play with that and see what you get.